The reason we chose RnD is because that they are the one who is very clear about their estimation. And also they could work with our schedule, and then they could, start the work quickly. Also, they're recommended by our neighbor. That makes us feel much better. We've been living in this house for over 15 years. And then we thought, there's something that we always want to change. And then we think it's a good opportunity to have it all done all together. I will recommend RnD because whenever the idea I have, they will take into consideration and work with me. When I work with Danielle, she helped me to refine or twist my idea to work better, and then to keep things under budget. The work actually went quite smoothly. So far, we're pretty happy.